Hi guys, I'm Jones Crasto here. Air Force priority drives new push for Boeing KC-46 tankers. The US Air Force has confirmed a bigger role for Boeing's KC-46 Pegasus refueling tanker. A new report shows the KC-46 will remain key while the military plans for future advanced tankers. The move means more Pegasus aircraft may be ordered to keep missions running worldwide. This step reflects how vital mid-air refueling is for long-distance flights and modern combat power. The KC-46, already flying in several units, ensures fighters, bombers, and transports stay in the air longer. For the Air Force, keeping Pegasus production alive bridges today's needs with tomorrow's next generation plans. Join Jones Crasto on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn for elite insights into M&A, luxury assets, defense, and energy.